Okay guys, avuxeni maxakeni to toka marambana vito ra mina mina Mandla Gingirikani wa ku maxavani khensi swinene ku mi joinile eka nkanelo wa Gingirikani namuntlha hi ta ka n'wina behind the mic. We're coming to behind the mic because of some other reason. Something is not working. Yeah, I don't know. So I just to do this. So it looks like Shirimani is releasing an album. Hey, wakaina, but bro Joe. Kasma humesa na hina nga swi tivi very Joe this Joe that, that's the title. This is very interesting. Joe this Joe that. Ay, then ku tlhela ku huma na varini ku mina leswiwani ku mina na ti tracks ta kona list beri nghena nhongani xa N'wamagezi track number 2 3 very ayidumi kumbe ayidumi a hi swi tivi swi ta twala njhani. Then kuna chucha nchungu. Oh guys, ti ta vuya featuring Shirimani. And Joe Shirimani is going forward with his Shirimani legacy there. Na track number 5 very Vamajaruman. Guys, number leti at vona kahle. I don't know why they chose that color because as vona ka ti number mara ka marito swa vonaka. Just the numbers. Track 6 Joe this Joe that. I think lewa ni yona track ya xicele lewa. Hila ku ti twisa la. And then ganda ka gaza la nsemba ku simeza to themendela letiwa. Ayitleli maybe beef lexi nihle no hleketelela N'wamarhongani. And then kuna botwili na botwili ta kuma kuna yena swi endla ku va ku ri beefan but I doubt ta ku ri beef botwili ku fe ku ri simro ti themendela na rona swi endliwa hi team Shirimani leswiwani very swi le ku humeni. So swi postinile ka ti-Facebook ta vona bro Joe va ku swi posta khale actually va kombisa ti-track list ta kona a va la ku yi byela kahle date. I don't know why va nga yi byeli date kumbexana va yimela dust ya va Benny na va Mr Post to settle but it doesn't look like it's settling down. Swi tikomba swa ha ri ku Benny ka tihuwa hi ti-live season leswiya. But anyway a hi languteni ku ri ka ti-Facebook page ta bra Joe ku postiwe yini. I think swi kona la, let's check it out. So loko hi languta ti-Facebook ta bra Joe leswi nga kona ya ku posta tracklist leyiwani swi na 24 shares 126 comments 45 minutes ago bra Joe Shirimani. And then I nghene ka ti-comments ni hi lava ku twa ti-comments ku vanhu ve ri yini hi lava ku twa ti-comments. Oh yi rhange yi posta leyi ro sungula kasi Joe this Joe that. Joe this Joe that swisa swa ku mkhulu hayi impela mani hlamula ku wa Joe xi nga humesi lembe leri Joe this Joe I think Joe this Joe that yo vanhu va tsakelaka yona mi twa hi nga ri ni tsakela yona because of hi expecte swicele laha ka lera risimu. Joe this Joe kokwani Joe vanhu va le ku vulani Brian Makamu la van'wani va ri madleridleri va ri hi lava sweswo van'wani va vutisa ku new album wo vutisa n'wana kumana nhlamulo ku swi tikomba tano mara ni sure va ta hi update before Christmas. Cover Pickley. Yes, let's talk about it. Interesting. It's very, very powerful. It's the first time we see bra Joe yi nga mbalangi suti yo nyanganya. Yi dzuma imbale suti yo nyanganya guys. I don't know what does that mean. Is he going hard on us? Is he ready to, dismantle everything? If we can interpret this thing the way it is. Joe this, Joe that. It's a beautiful cover. I like this. What color is this, guys? This is like I can see the maroon on the touch ups. On the tie and the touch up there, maroon. It's not red, guys. That's maroon and the white shirt, and he's pointing a finger at us. Serious. You see those three lines, these ones. These 3 lines this guy is serious. Brajo is serious. Maybe I stick with combine Dr. George Shirimani. Ibe studio nyanga guys. Ile jihala no stick usula. Maybe it's a sign of showing a respect to the producer. Mambaule Langa is here. I don't know if it has anything to do with that. Maybe that's why he chose the darker colors. Maybe that's the reason. But I choose the color that to jialela because he told me look over. Bafamba the color to nyanga nyabra karota. He told me so na it's beautiful guys. Even the light. The color that one side even a light and then the other side guys. It's beautiful cinematography. So I've got the feeling. The meaning total. You know, look what compisa steering. Abang kombi steering. Arna lighting. Ashkandin and quash usually. But so tonight, ani te wa kuna boss on. Boss is the villain. He na a boss mara kuna villain then kuna the steering usually kombo wangu fugiva na color so the other side refile again, the other side ku kurna light rionge ashkandi, and they chose this kind of color. So is he saying he's the boss or he is the steering? Because both of them usually look come back at the movie. Look most analyze at the movie guys. And that's one look at the satellite. But the satellite it so. Side there one over cover darker. Rashkanda little one lighter. Light the winch name. This one I'm saying it's like proper way of doing photography. This one. I don't know who did this kind of photography. It's beautiful. I move in here, I got the checklist. And be here with I got so on. What Daniel got an embrace. So gonna so why is oh there you go. Very ngena nongani. Latita buya la street. Kuna leri feature nes matlala la very yama German. Inyimpi lewa kahle kahle. Inyimpi yama German. No, asibona man. Dr. Shirimani is going to release this year. I was shocked. Understand. It's a trick thing that I'm not lang tell around. Little talking ngari thing of katir terasa. Ganda ya Gaza. Kumbeshan. To bulukarin guys. Pela mi mga bulusa sunga jelang. Sulan check Spotify shamina mara. Google Spotify shamina. Kitala kutaguma 2 days, 3 days. Logo Apple Music you miseka. So sindlani kuma ku tingatu min phela kwala. Phela ngomo tu min Spotify shamina ngona check la. Makambi Joe this Joe that answer view. Abatabula kutomi. SMS Shirinda irikuta nandi ya gigin masevo. Onge tita pushana masevo. My artist vumuno. If artist taina avalo donza na vumuno eka mwina. Valo donza music vutomi byona vakokela kule. Vati chichava avati hloniphi. But Dr. Shirimani Shirimani I xikombiso lexinene. Okay. Trust you khehla enwa gezani lo. Vele vulavuleni vanhu va tikomba va yi tsakela album ya Brajo. Hambi swi ko ngeza ku yikuma. Na ni yimele yona hila ku yitwa. Mapengo Khobani Mahlawuleberi ayibuyi Gaza. We celebrate with music and build the country. I hope you stop. I just hope that's my wish kuri ngevi tingoma leta to saka jowe china jowe ntsene ku ta ku na tingoma leti nga na message ku ta na tingoma leti ti nga ta va ti ri na you know tingoma leti nga ta va ti ri na mahungu swihungwahungwana loko na ngita picture leyiwani I analyzer, if you look at his face you can see he's looking at people like he's like leswiwani swi ndla yini swilo leswi a ni swi tivi vanhu. Hey guys a hi humeni ka tona a leswi ni mi khome swona le ka Nkanelo Gingirikani mi twa nga ri yi ta ba kumbe nge bi album ya Dr. Shirimani na ni vona ku ri swi nga ndliwa kahle la cover leyi saseke ngopfu guys. Ro sungula imbe na macross band na spring tie bra Joe na imbe basa mara ro sungula ni vona nyambalangi suit yo nyanganya imbe le suit yo byala ni swi tivi ku yo ndlela ku xixima mambawulele na a yi tivi a ritsi ta swona kwini. Hi wa ka hina loko ri mina le gere Gingirikani wa ka Maxavani ke swi ku mi joinile ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani ka no ku salute eka stars ke tswele ke lenyora am first to ra salute mi nga titimeli comments down below a hi vulavuleni laha hansi hi matitwelo ya hina hi cover leyiwani ku ri yi na tinsimu ta kahle na xana hi rini leri mi twaka hi nga ri risimu ri ta fika ri ndla swona a hi vulavuleni laha hansi eka stars.